Vayikra Yaakov el Banov Vayomer. Yaakov Avinu calls his sons and he says, Hey asfu v'agida lachem eis asher yikra eschem ba'achis hayomim. Gather and I will tell you what will happen to you at the end of days. This pasuk is in Parshas Vayechi, our parsha, the first pasuk of Avrumi, which is today. Today's Wednesday. I figured I'll start with this pasuk because today I want to talk about this secret, the secret of the end of days. And we all know the Medrash that after Yaakov Avinu said this to his sons, Nistalka mimenu shchina. Rashi and the Ramban say his Ruach HaKodesh disappeared and he didn't know what he wanted to tell them anymore. Why? Because this is the number one biggest secret in Judaism. We are not supposed to know when exactly Mashiach is going to come and exactly what will take place in those times. But the Nevi'im that came after this did talk about those times in a cryptic way, perhaps not in a way that we can interpret the future perfectly, but we could look back at what happened in the last few years and see where the Nevi'im were discussing it. And some of them are pretty clear and obvious. So today is December 31st, 2025, and I thought it'd be interesting to do a little rewind on this year and see what has already come true. Maybe we'll look into 2024 and 2023 a bit also. But let's try to match up some of what the Nevi'im are talking about and some of what has took place in the last few years, especially in regards to the Nevi'im about the end of days. Okay, I'm officially in shock, and this is a genuine reaction. My microphone stopped working as soon as I started talking about the Nevi'im. Now, what happened was I left the room because there was a flood, and someone turned on a vacuum to vacuum the water out because a water heater busted outside. I come back, when it got quiet, press record again, and apparently this little thing was off. So there's no audio, not even camera audio. I'm going to have to think about what this means. Maybe I said something that wasn't interpreted correctly. Maybe I said something about... Regardless, I don't have time to do this video again. I spent at least 45 minutes talking about the Nevi'im. So this is how this video ends, with me being in shock about trying to record a video after 3 months of not recording a video, and Hashem saying no, not today. I had a kid, Baruch Hashem, 3 months ago. I had my third girl, been very busy since, and thought today would be a great day to jump into things with this great idea of a video talking about how the prophets predicted what's going on in our days and how it might continue to play out. But this video is not meant to be, and I don't know why yet. I will be thinking about it. Maybe I'll ask my Rav what he thinks. But for now, I'm sorry to disappoint. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put this out anyways because this is kind of a powerful moment for me. And please God, I'll be back soon with a video. I don't know if it's going to be about this or something else, but I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.